Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint the domino. Alright, so what is the origin of dominoes?
I'm broken hearted, all 'cause of you, and it's sad, but it's true. If you could rewind, do it again, I wonder, would you hurt me just like you did? Or would you fast forward to the end? I wonder, so you wouldn't have to face what you did. You're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. Full believing lies for my clueless mind, but I didn't know what you do. How could I known it? I'm not a psychic, the only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. When we started dating, I was surprised. Felt so elevating, too easy at times. Then all of a sudden, reality strikes. It was all just a lie. Don't you have a conscience? Don't you feel bad? Acting like a monster, don't you feel sad? All I want is closure, but I'll have to manage without.
Alright, for the first layer of the domino, we have laid in kind of your basic colors, like kind of the gray, light grays for the shadows of the domino itself, as well as kind of this nice orange tablecloth, blue sky, kind of cyan colored sky. I might have to darken the domino dots a little bit more. I think they're a little bit darker. So we'll let this dry and then see where it goes from here.
But I didn't know what you do. How could I known it? I'm not a psychic, the only psycho here is you. 'Cause you're a stupid boy, treating hearts like toys, but I'm just as stupid as you. Na 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 na.
So the origin of dominoes comes from China in 1128. I think it's before Christ. I don't know. They have this weird denomination. It might be after Christ, but let's just say it's after Christ, AD. So this one guy created it for one of the emperors, and then eventually the game made its way all the way to Europe in the 18th century. That was kind of the earliest known domino, at least that we have on a historical record. And as it made its way from China all the way through the Roman Empire, the name dominoes actually probably comes from Latin for house of the masters, I think, or house of domination, I don't know. Anyway, so that's kind of the origin of dominoes. And also the Eskimos play a similar game, which they suggest is just a derivation of the Western version of the game. But if you think about the land bridge between Asia, US, you know, maybe that's speculation. No one would know for sure. So that's kind of the origin of dominoes and the question of the day. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So it has this nice blue and orange background, which is funny. It's kind of the logo of Domino's Pizza, so that's kind of a funny thing. I'll probably wrap that into the title. The blue's pretty good. It's a little bit light. You know, maybe I should add another layer, but I think it's okay. Domino reads, you know, more or less like a domino. I think I could have measured the circles more, and then I could have had a really tight version of the domino, but it reads basically like a domino. I added like little green outline to kind of make that pop against the blue and orange. But overall, I think it's pretty decent. So yeah, I think that's basically it. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.
My clueless mind, but I did started dating, I was surprised, felt so